What's up, YouTube? I'm tapping in, guys, on a Sunday. It's a little early, so again, I'm gonna circle back later on tonight and make sure I give us a last minute pep talk before it's time for really game time. Okay, guys, but with that being said, guys, I got one for you today. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure this video get at least 2,000 likes, and go ahead and tap in with me, guys. I want to first tell you guys, get your mind right for this upcoming week. Okay, like and subscribe if you want to make some money this week. I'm going to walk you guys through some things. I want you to take some notes on some of the things I'm going to teach you today, because I just want to simplify the game and show you a couple ways to win and win consistently. Okay, but with that being said, before I go any further, guys, I have to remind you how important it is that in all you do, remember to put God first. I'm going to say that one more time. Put God first, and if he's already first, make sure you keep him first. Okay, I'm going to be dropping more of that on you guys, because you need to know, although we talk about what we talk about on a daily basis, guys, there's a foundation that I'm standing firmly on that helps everything I do thrive. All that stuff in the community, all the stuff I do as a philanthropist, all that stuff I do for people every day, a lot of that stems from my servant attitude, my servanthood in general. But also, guys, it stems from making sure that I keep God first, that I put him first in all that I do. Okay, so I wanted to put that on you, as well as put this on you guys. Now, this is Matthew 6:33. Okay, seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Okay, hey guys, make sure at the root of everything you do, especially if you rock with me, that you understand the source, that you understand this ain't no made up stuff. This not no lucky stuff. This is a guy that's showing up every day, that's walking in favor, and that's walking with the Lord hand on his life. Okay, so again, it's a lot of noise in the world of social media, so the real can easily get mixed up with the phonies. Okay, but use discernment, because discernment, and those of you that have it, should separate that. And you guys know what it is, man. The cream always rises to the top. And if I got any prayer warriors out there, make sure you guys always keep me in prayer. Don't never get this game twisted and think we've arrived. Nothing like that. I need all the prayers I can get from not only the attacks, but making sure that the weapons that do form against me will not prosper. Okay, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it on the day. I first wanted to kick it off with this chart right here, guys. Take a look at this, but take your eyes to the month of September and the red bar. Okay, what this is, guys, is a monthly seasonality list for you guys, that when we are in a presidential cycle, when we have midterm elections, but just in general, I've been in the stock market around 14 years now, over a decade, let's just put it like that. In September, the market always crashes. So right now we're in mid-August, we're on a hell of a run. Okay, but that run should come to an end if history repeats itself in September. Look at the red. Okay, and then the green is indicating that October, November, December are going to be up months. Okay, again, guys, give or take a little bit, you know what I'm saying, this stuff cannot be followed to a T in terms of September 1st through September 31st, but sometime in September we are all looking for and expecting some type of pullback, some type of just consolidation in the market. Okay, and just, guys, on my own account, whether I had this information or not, I've seen it happen all the years I've been in the stock market. Okay, I have a rule that I tell people all the months that the stocks will crash, and these things are pretty consistent on the journey. Okay, so I just want to put that on you guys. Look for September to be one of your more down months, as July and August was an up month. Okay, now, guys, I got two things I want to go ahead and talk to you about on today. And what I love is price action. Okay, and when you invest the way that I do, okay, I'm an investor on one end. I buy and hold. That's investing, guys. Okay, there's nothing to investing. I got VTI, I got Apple, I got Nike, so on and so forth, guys. And you buy those low and you let them ride. You let the money pile up, okay? There's nothing to buying and holding as an investor. It's just something I encourage all of you to do on your journey. Don't get caught up in only wanting the riches. Don't get caught up in only wanting the fast money, okay? However, once you get your investments and your pillars established, okay, that's the things you know, like, and love, products you use, things you know about, okay? Those are what you want to invest in for the long term. Those are the things you want to make money for you while you're sleeping, on your behalf. Things that the bank can't necessarily do on your behalf, okay? That is what investing is, accumulating assets that will grow your wealth on your behalf, okay? That's what I want you to pursue. But price action is what my thing is, okay? Technical analysis gets me to the price action, and that's how I'm able to pinpoint accurately tell you guys where stocks will go every single day. That's why it's one day at a time, one play at a time, because I come on here every day and just take you on the journey, whether we're going to have an up day or a down day. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into two plays. I want you guys to consider doing this in terms of taking advantage of price action. Okay, guys, we're going to kick it off with the SPY. Ticker symbol SPY. This is the S&P 500, okay? Everything flows from this. So I don't care what play you choose to do, how this is performing will dictate what's going on with that. If you ever see a play go down, just check the SPY and see what the SPY down at that point in time. You'll see a very, very eerily correlation, okay? If the play is going up, I can guarantee it's getting a boost because the SPY is probably going up too. That's the type of correlation I'm talking about. But check this out, guys, as it relates to price action. I'm gonna give you 2 on a day, and I want to see you guys use it at your own pace, okay? And listen to this intel that I say every day on the YouTube videos, but I say it even more in the Discord. So do me a favor. Not only do I need you to like and subscribe, make sure you help this get at least 2,000 likes, but join the Discord at the link at the description below. Watch this, guys. Okay, to the upside this week from here, SPY will go to 430. Okay, that's the goal. That's our target area, just off a short-term movement. That's the next level we're looking for, okay? But guess what, guys? To the downside, if you miss SPY at 430, okay, if you wasn't able to play that, if you were busy, if you was doing something and you missed that move, guess what? Support is going to be at 425 and 420. Okay, now watch this. This is what I want you guys to consider. When SPY hits 420, when SPY hits 27, 30, if you miss it, now that you know to the downside, this is a quick way to take advantage of things when you know something is coming down. Now, I'm not saying for you to do this on tomorrow or just in general. I'm just saying when you know levels, this is what you can do. So at SPY 430, okay, if I told you SPY is going to come to 425 when it comes back down, okay, don't just blow through and just go to 440 and 460. It's going to hit those numbers, but not in one swoop, okay? So because it's going to pull back, you would do something like this. At 430, you could buy a put, let's just say for this strike of 427, okay? You can buy a for 427, all right? Boom. And then when you do that, get you one contract, okay? And then when you get your one contract from there, guys, you ride it down to 425 and or 420. But you guys know what I'm gonna say? Don't be greedy, okay? When you see profit, take profit. So if it's at 420, if it's at 430, en route to those numbers, if you're up $100, $300, $500, it's okay to lock that in, okay? It's okay to see profit and take profit. So listen to what I said. Write this down. SPY will go from here to 430. That's what you need to write down at first. But if you wanted to ride a put down, you buy at 430 and you ride it back down to 425 and or 420. Okay, let me know if that's clear guidance for you. And the same is true in reverse. Okay, when the SPY pulls back down to 420, it's going to go back to 425. Okay, and so you can buy a call at 420 and ride it back to 425. You got to know your entries. Okay, you have to know price action. You have to know where you need to buy these plays at, okay? Let's practice one more, all right? Let me give you guys one more. This next one, guys, will be Tesla, okay? Let me get this set up for us. This next one will be Tesla. Tesla right now is sitting at 904. Write this down for me, guys. For this week, I'm talking about short term, meaning tomorrow. Okay, way before we get to 940, we need to get to 904. Write these numbers down. 904, 912, 915. That's what we need to see happen first. Okay, everything has levels that it has to get to. Okay, but listen to this, guys. The support for Tesla is at 850 and 840. It's within that range. That's where it's going to pull back to. So from here to 868, 865, 850, 842. That's where it's going. That's called a trading channel, a trading range. All right, now check this out. If Tesla doesn't go directly to 912 or 915, those are short-term price targets we are looking for Tesla to go to and test, so it can confirm the move for us to 940. Okay, and we'll walk it out one day at a time, one play at a time. But I want to teach you guys something. When stocks begin to pull back, if they hit these numbers that I'm telling you, and you see them start to go sideways or get met with resistance, like not go higher, it's coming back down to these levels. 900, okay, 875, 850, 842. So what you would do, guys, let's go ahead and look at this. You would do a put, just for the sake of being surgical and responsible and conservative. I always put mine out, but you would hit buy, put. Okay, now these are always a lot more expensive premiums, so don't get caught up in that. I'm just talking about price action. But if you wanted to play the levels we just talked about, you can buy this $900 put for when it comes down. Okay, and when you are anticipating, man, to hit those levels Chris talked about, but it's struggling to break through, this is going to come down. When it come down, boom, you buy one contract and you ride this down to the levels we talked about. Okay, don't get greedy, don't overstay your welcome. What's the levels to the downside? 900, 875, 868, 850, 842. You got 5 levels you can go through. Trying to hold through all 5 levels, guys, that means you're holding too long. Okay, but get in the habit of seeing profit and taking profit, and guess what? When it hit those levels, especially that bottom level, that 850, 842, boom, it's gonna bounce back up and go back to the 900 area. Okay, however, you would buy a call at those lower levels up here when it's consolidating and going down. That's the chance for you to buy a put. No levels, guys, for a reason. Write these levels down so that you know my support is that 840, 850 range. Okay, and my resistance right now is 900 and 904. And what we're looking for short term, 912, 915. Okay, write that down for me, and then let's look at that in terms of price action for this week. Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope just talking it out, making it plain, helps you guys see how to take advantage of these levels. All I do, guys, every day, and I'm going to make a video about my trading strategy so that you can see the holistic way that I wake up, approach the whole game, the workouts, the devotion, opening my charts up, getting myself set up, and how I choose what stock I'm gonna make money with. I think my trading strategy will be beneficial for you guys to see, so then you can emulate it and then adopt your own, modify it to what you do, so that you can start knocking these plays out the park every day. But listen to this, I just play price action. Yes, I can master the charts and like I can do all that. But I'm talking about when I know the level, boom. If Tesla is 904, if it don't break through, it's coming to 868. So I can just buy a put when it's at 904 or 910 or whatever. On that pullback, boom, it's going to come down to those levels. I'm not a greedy guy. I'm a see profit, take profit, rinse, and then probably buy a call once I take profit, knowing that it's going to go back up. Okay, simplify the game, guys. Keep it easy. Write these prices down that I call out every day on the channel, but get in the Discord because I call them out. And they're even more spot on because in the Discord it's closer to real time. Right now, guys, it's Sunday morning. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no telling what's going to happen way some hours from now, okay? But when I'm in the Discord, I got all the news, I got all the stuff happening right there. I'm looking at everything that took place overnight. Boop, 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 boop. The stock gonna do this, and this. Boom. That's what we doing today. Easy money. Hope this was helpful, guys. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.